You've been eating well, exercising when you can, taking your vitamins, and doing everything right. But something still feels off. Your joints ache in the morning. Your energy crashes by 2 in the afternoon. Your doctor keeps adding medications to your list, and you're starting to wonder if this is just what getting older feels like. Here's what nobody is telling you. There's a plant that has been used for thousands of years across Africa and Asia that researchers are now calling one of the most nutrient-dense foods ever discovered. And the benefits it offers to people over 50 are nothing short of remarkable. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you're going to understand why some of the world's leading nutritionists are calling Moringa the most important plant you've probably never seriously considered. So what exactly is Moringa? It comes from the Moringa oleifera tree, sometimes called the drumstick tree or the miracle tree. Every single part of this plant, from the leaves to the seeds to the roots, contains compounds that your aging body desperately needs. And the benefits go way beyond what most health articles even scratch the surface on. We're going to go deep today. 15 benefits, fully explained, and every single one of them is backed by real science. Let's start with number 15. Moringa is an anti-inflammatory powerhouse. As we age past 50, chronic low-grade inflammation becomes one of the biggest threats to our health. It's connected to heart disease, arthritis, cognitive decline, and even cancer. Moringa contains isothiocyanates, flavonoids, and phenolic acids, all of which actively work to reduce inflammatory markers in the body. Studies have shown measurable reductions in key inflammation indicators in people who regularly consume Moringa. Number 14 is blood sugar regulation. After 50, insulin sensitivity often begins to drop. Moringa leaf extract has been shown in clinical research to help lower fasting blood glucose levels significantly. The compounds in Moringa appear to help cells respond more efficiently to insulin, which means you maintain more stable energy throughout the day and reduce your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Number 13 is cholesterol management. Heart disease risk climbs sharply after 50. Moringa has demonstrated an ability to lower LDL cholesterol, the kind we want less of, while supporting healthy HDL levels. This dual action makes it genuinely valuable for cardiovascular health in a way that very few natural compounds can claim. Number 12 is bone density protection. Osteoporosis affects millions of people over 50, especially women. Moringa is loaded with calcium and phosphorus. But what makes it unique is that these minerals come packaged with natural compounds that actually enhance absorption. It also contains vitamin K, which is critical for directing calcium into bones rather than into arterial walls. Number 11 is brain protection. The oleic acid and antioxidants in Moringa cross the blood-brain barrier and help protect neurons from oxidative damage. Some research suggests Moringa may support dopamine and serotonin production, which matters enormously for mood stability and cognitive function as we age. Number 10 is joint pain relief. This is perhaps the most talked about benefit among the 50-plus crowd. The anti-inflammatory compounds in Moringa target specifically the kind of joint inflammation associated with arthritis. Many people report significant reductions in morning stiffness and joint discomfort within a few weeks of consistent use. Number 9 is improved energy without the crash. Unlike caffeine, Moringa provides a steady energy lift rooted in genuine nutrition. It contains iron, B vitamins, and amino acids that support mitochondrial function, meaning your cells actually produce energy more efficiently. No spike, no crash, just consistent vitality. Number 8 is hormonal balance. For women going through or past menopause, and for men dealing with declining testosterone, Moringa contains compounds that interact with the endocrine system in beneficial ways. Some studies suggest it may help reduce some of the symptoms associated with hormonal transitions in middle age. Number 7 is digestive health. Moringa contains both soluble and insoluble fiber, plus natural compounds with mild antimicrobial properties that help maintain a healthy gut microbiome. After 50, digestive efficiency often declines, and Moringa can help restore some of that function while also reducing bloating and irregular digestion. Number 6 is eye health protection. Moringa is rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, two carotenoids that accumulate in the retina and protect against macular degeneration, which is one of the leading causes of vision loss in older adults. Very few foods contain these compounds in meaningful quantities, which makes Moringa genuinely valuable here. Number 5 is liver support. The liver works harder as we age, especially if we take medications. Moringa has demonstrated hepatoprotective properties, meaning it helps protect liver cells from damage and may assist with the regeneration of healthy liver tissue. This is significant because a healthy liver is essential for processing hormones, filtering toxins, and supporting overall metabolic health. Number 4 is skin and hair rejuvenation. Moringa contains high levels of vitamin C, zinc, and amino acids like lysine that are essential building blocks for collagen. As collagen production naturally slows after 50, Moringa can help support it from within. Many users notice improvements in skin elasticity and hair strength within a couple of months. Number 3 is immune system reinforcement. After 50, the immune system begins a process called immunosenescence, where it gradually becomes less effective. Moringa is packed with vitamins A, C, and E, alongside zinc and iron, all of which are foundational for immune response. It also contains compounds that have demonstrated antiviral and antibacterial properties in lab settings. Number 2 is blood pressure regulation. Moringa contains natural compounds called thiocarbamate and isothiocyanate glycosides that have shown blood pressure lowering effects in research. Given that hypertension risk increases significantly with age, this benefit is enormously relevant for the 50-plus population. Number 1 is sleep quality improvement. This one surprises most people. Moringa contains tryptophan, the amino acid your body uses to produce serotonin and then melatonin. Better melatonin production means better sleep architecture, which means more time in the restorative sleep stages your body needs to repair itself overnight. Poor sleep accelerates virtually every aging process, so this benefit has a cascading positive effect on all the others. Now here is the part where I want to be completely honest with you. Moringa is not a magic pill. It works best when you're also prioritizing nutrition, hydration, movement, and sleep. But as a nutritional supplement, it is remarkably complete and genuinely research-supported in ways that most supplements simply are not. The density of beneficial compounds per serving is almost unmatched in the plant kingdom. How should you take it? Most people use Moringa in powder form, added to smoothies, soups, or warm water. You can also find it in capsule form if the taste isn't your preference. The taste is earthy and slightly bitter, similar to matcha. Typical research doses range from about 1 to 2 teaspoons of powder daily, or the equivalent in capsule form. Starting small and building up is usually the best approach for your digestive system to adjust. One important caution. If you are pregnant, taking blood thinners, or on diabetes or blood pressure medications, you need to speak with your doctor before starting Moringa. Because it does have real physiological effects, it can interact with certain medications, and those interactions need professional guidance. The reason this information feels surprising to so many people over 50 is not because it's new. Traditional medicine systems have known about Moringa for centuries. The reason is that there is no massive pharmaceutical company profiting from people eating Moringa leaves. So the marketing machine that drives health conversations in Western medicine has largely ignored it. But researchers haven't. The scientific literature on Moringa has grown substantially in the last decade, and the findings keep pointing in the same direction. If you are over 50 and you are looking for one natural addition to your routine that is genuinely backed by science, addresses multiple aging concerns simultaneously, and has a strong safety profile, Moringa deserves your serious attention. Not as a replacement for medical care, but as a powerful partner in your own health strategy. If this video opened your eyes to something new, share it with someone over 50 in your life who could use this information. Leave a comment below telling me which of these 15 benefits matters most to you personally. And if you want to keep learning how to thrive in your 50s, 60s, and beyond, subscribe and stay tuned, because we have a lot more coming your way.